The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting foldable devices of 2025, bringing cutting-edge innovation to the smartphone world. With a thinner and lighter design, Samsung is focusing on making the Fold 6 more user-friendly while maintaining its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame enhances durability, and the new hinge mechanism significantly reduces the display crease. Users can expect a stunning 7.6-inch AMOLED 2X main display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing ultra-smooth visuals, while the 6.2-inch cover screen offers improved usability. Samsung is rumored to optimize its ultra-thin glass, UTG, for better durability, making the foldable experience even more seamless. Water resistance is expected to stay at IPX8, but dust resistance remains uncertain. Under the hood, the Fold 6 is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, offering blazing fast performance, coupled with 12GB or 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. This ensures that multitasking, gaming, and productivity tasks run effortlessly, taking full advantage of Samsung's advanced foldable UI. The device will support S Pen functionality, although it might still lack a built-in slot, requiring users to purchase a separate case for stylus storage. Connectivity and other features on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 are expected to take things to the next level. With 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, users will experience faster data speeds and more stable wireless connections. Samsung is also rumored to integrate satellite connectivity, allowing emergency messaging even in areas without traditional network coverage. Security remains a priority, with an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and advanced Samsung Knox protection. The device is also expected to offer improved DeX mode, making it even more powerful for those who use their foldable as a laptop alternative. The camera system on the Fold 6 is likely to feature a 50MP main sensor, delivering excellent detail and improved low-light performance. Alongside it, a 12MP ultra-wide lens and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x zoom provide versatility for photography enthusiasts. Samsung is expected to refine the under-display camera, UDC, technology on the inner screen, offering a more immersive experience for video calls without a visible hole punch camera. While the camera setup may not be as advanced as the S24 Ultra, it should still provide flagship-level image quality with Samsung's expert tuning and AI enhancements. Software and AI integration play a crucial role in the Fold 6's overall experience. Samsung's One UI 6.1, or 7.0, based on Android 15 will bring exclusive foldable optimizations, enhancing multitasking and split-screen functionalities. Galaxy AI features will likely improve voice assistance, real-time translation, and productivity tools. Performance is expected to be stellar, thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Samsung's advanced cooling system, keeping the device running smoothly under heavy loads. The battery capacity is rumored to increase slightly to 4,600 mAh, 4,800 mAh, supported by 45W fast charging and wireless charging. Price is always a major factor, and the Z Fold 6 is expected to be in the range of $1,799 to $1,899, depending on storage and regional pricing. While it remains a premium device, Samsung may introduce trade-in offers and financing options to make it more accessible. With a likely launch date of August 2025, fans can expect an official announcement at Samsung's Unpacked event. As more leaks emerge, we'll keep you updated here on Tech Vibe, so make sure to subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews.